Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the preparation of thin section of minerals and rocks. So, for the preparation of thin section, we should apply 6 steps and 6 methods for thin section preparation. So, rock samples, typically coarse or individual grab samples, require processing before they can be used for mineral analysis by either polarizing light microscope, microscope or scanning electron microscope or X-ray microanalysis. The sample has to be thin enough for light to pass through in a light microscope and have a polished surface for electron microscope study. So, in step 1, a suitable size slab for mounting on a slide is cut from a piece of rock or drill core with a diamond saw, or it is known as cutting slab. Here you can see in the video how can we prepare a mineral thin section slide. Then step 2 is your initial lapping of the slab. The slab is leveled on one side, of the other side is lapped flat and smooth first on a cast iron lap with 400 grit carborundum, then finished on a glass plate with 600 grit carborundum. So, lapping of the slab means the mineral body tends to be flat. Step 3 is your glass slide is added. After drying on a hot plate, a glass slide is glued to the lapped face of the slab with epoxy. Then next come to the step 4. Step 4 is slab is sectioned. Using a thin section saw, the slab is cut off close to the slide. The thickness is further reduced on a thin section grinder. Then powders are mixed with epoxy, then sprayed on a slide and allowed to cure. The surface is ground flat on thin section grinder, then finished similarly to a thin section. So, next step is your final lapping. A finished thickness of 30 microns is achieved by lapping the section by hand on a glass plate with 600 grit carborundum. A fine grinding with 1000 grit prior to polishing is optional. Next or final step is your polishing. This section is placed in a holder and spoon on a polishing machine using nylon cloth and diamond paste until a suitable polish is achieved for microscope or SEM studies. And then we can study the prepared thin section slide under the petrological or polarized microscope. So, this is all about the preparation of how we prepare a thin section of mineral for the study of optical properties of a mineral. Thank you.